Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel and welcome to Automation with Selenium with Python. So, if you guys have Python knowledge, I think you can continue. Even you can start Python if you don't know. Also, it's a easy language and functional language. So, from python.org, you have to install Python. So, let me start with download. Once you click on downloads, so download Python. You can download it for Windows, Linux, Mac. So, this one is for Mac actually. So it will download package I can install. So already I have installed, and Windows you can download it here. So once you click on Windows, you will redirect to this page. You can download the latest versions, and after download, what you have to do, just open your command prompt and type Python in Windows. Basically it will say Python command not found. So for that, what you have to do, like Windows, let me show the image because I'm using Mac machine, so I'm not able to. Yeah, see, this is how you have to add Python path. No, sorry, you have to add a Python home actually. Oh, go to your environment variables. There you should add Python home. It is like let me open the image in separate tab. Yeah, I think here it's clear. So click on new, enter Python home. So basically it will install on C drive always. C colon like slash Python 27. This is a 27 version. Just check it your version and just add it and save. Once you save and if you come to command prompt and enter Python, it will redirect you to Python editor. Actually, if you see 3 greater than these things, it's in Python actually. You can see the version also. I have installed the old version. That's okay. You guys can still work on it. Uh, if you want to add some two number in Python, just 2 plus 2, you got it. Okay, so this is how it will work. It's a simple program. You can learn it by so many tutorials. So anyway, like we are going to use it for a Selenium purpose. So this is how you have to install and set up with Mac, Windows, both versions. Okay. So in next video we can see how can we download some editor. The editor is with now we are editing with command prompt, right? So if it's Java, we'll use Eclipse. So if it is Python, what we have to use. So let's see in next video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.